हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कट टू। विवेक, सेकंड मंथ में आ गए हम लोग। वी स्टार्टेड इन जून, वी आर
Yay!
इन जुलाई। वी सर्वाइव्ड डूड। मैं वही सोच रहा था कि अरे कितना दिन चलेगा, चलो सेकंड मंथ में तो आए। वी मेड इट एंड टुडे वी आर इन लाइक अ ब्यूटीफुल कंट्री, ईरान। एंड वी हैव एक्चुअली ट्रैवल्ड बैक इन टाइम। विवेक, मैं 5-6 साल का ही हूँगा जब ये फिल्म बनी थी। But it's such a relevant story even now. And it's made by one of the best directors ever. So Vivek, can you tell us about the film?
The film that we are going to discuss today is Where is the Friend's House by director Abbas Kiarostami. It is a film which has a very simple premise, story of a little boy searching for the home of his classmate whose school notebook he has accidentally taken. But beyond that one line premise lies a beautifully nuanced story of the ordinary story of that little boy told in the most extraordinary way. This film is director Abbas Kiarostami's first film of the Coker trilogy, the other two being Life and Nothing More and Through the Olive Trees.
The one that I have seen is the Taste of Cherry, which is another beautiful film. That if you have not seen it, maybe we talk about it in another episode. But yeah, that's a film that we should talk
No,
about.
definitely. You've been telling me about this director for the longest of time, and I haven't seen any of his films except this one. So I'm really looking forward to watch more of his work.
I went back to this film after a long time, right? And this is something made in 1987 or something,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So I was wondering whether I will be interested in it. When I started
Hmm.
this off again, this his style is in almost to catch the real situations, right? So he will just
Yeah.
set up his actors in a situation and they'll tell them to be as natural as possible. So even in the beginning का जो scene है, उसमें when you have this professor coming
Yeah.
in a classroom, it is
Yeah.
done so easily and there are not too many cuts and probably he just told the teacher to do these things और वो अपने पेस पे कर रहा है. तो
Yeah.
मेरे को लगा था कि ऐसा फिल्म है धीरे धीरे will I be sleeping by the time it gets to the second sequence. But no, यार, it is so interesting in however they are showing it, right? Even now when I was thinking about it, अगर इसका कोई नया वर्जन होता तो you won't change too much of it because the themes that it kind of picks are so timeless, like friendship and generation gap and all of that, right? और अभी the only thing difference would have been probably कि वो बच्चे को डायरेक्टली व्हाट्सएप अपने फ्रेंड को करता कि भाई तेरा घर कहाँ है।
Yeah.
वो उसको
Google Maps.
लोकेशन भेजता, वो जाता अपना बुक दे के वापस आ जाता वेल इन टाइम टू बाय ब्रेड एंड ऑल।
Yeah. Yeah. ब्रेड भी वो डंजो से तब तक ऑर्डर कर लेता.
घर पे आ जाता। बट ये वो दैट्स अनरिजॉल्व्ड इशू है, एंड में ब्रेड आता कहाँ से है बॉस, और उसको कोई गाली भी नहीं देता है फॉर कमिंग सो लेट।
Nahi, so Viru, there was that scene where his father is staring at him, that death stare,
हाँ
and
हाँ,
he's crying. I mean, he's not crying, but he's almost sniffling, and his mother, and he refuses to eat dinner.
फादर इज
I
प्रॉब्ली
think,
जस्ट अरे सेट पे ऐसे अच्छा तू बैठ उधर और कैमरा में देखना।
yeah, I was dreading that scene when his father was trying to get the radio fixed, and I thought ये अभी लेके उसके ऊपर फेंकने वाला है.
वो इतना बेचारा है वो लड़का भी, पूरा
Yeah.
स्टार्टिंग से बेचारा है, इतना मम्मी को बोलता है कि जाने दो, कोई सुनता ही नहीं उसका।
Think you touched upon the generation gap being there in the film, right? Each and every adult in this film, whether it was the teacher, whether it was the grandfather, mother, grandmother, or even that blacksmith, none of these adults were listening to any of the children that they were
करेक्ट,
coming in contact with.
लाइक ही
They
वो
were,
बोलते जा रहा है आई हैव टू
yeah,
गो गिव दिस बुक बैक, एंड वो शी इज नॉट पेइंग एनी अटेंशन टू हिम एट ऑल।
no. No one gave them the due diligence that these children deserved. I think one of the biggest takeaways of the film is that please listen to children and don't just talk back at them, but listen to them and respond to them. What are they talking about? Because it might be that they would want to do a small act of kindness, which would make their day and someone else's day as well.
एब्सोल्युटली, वो वाला जो सीन था स्टार्टिंग में मम्मी वाला, द थिंग दैट
हाँ.
गॉट मी रियली इरिटेटेड वाज दैट बेबी।
हाँ.
It touched a nerve, dude.
Yeah, and
वो
why
बेबी को
was
बॉटल देते देते रहो और फिर बाद में वापस वो चिल्लाते रहता है. इट्स सो इरिटेटिंग. वो बेचारा लगा हुआ है अपनी मम्मी को कन्विंस करने को, बट ही हैज टू गो लुक एट द बेबी ऑल द टाइम.
the little one is trying to tell his mother 10 times that I've got the wrong notebook, but she just didn't believe him. it was
So what? Give it
it
to him
was
tomorrow. She doesn't understand the problem, right? His friend is going to
yeah,
get expelled, dude. नहीं नहीं
yeah.
कोई नहीं सुन रहा उसका. Shit,
It
यार.
was a bit disturbing, and it also, I think, brought back memories of my childhood where parents would not listen to you
ऐसा
because
कुछ
they
हुआ है
would
क्या स्कूल में या हाँ पेरेंट्स वुडंट लिसन टू यू.
no, but they wouldn't listen to me because they always knew that I'm up to no good. So they, anything that I say and
कुछ
do
बोल रहा है
would be
विवेक. Anyone who knows you right now would never believe this.
yeah, but Viru, I've changed a lot.
Oh, is
No, but like all children, I was up to no good, always doing the mischief. But parents would never kind of sit and listen to what you have to say because they'd be busy with their things. And just like this mother who was almost like a robot, right? Finish your homework, then go out. Finish your homework, then go out. And the
absolutely.
son was like, "But I've got the wrong notebook. It's a different conversation." But she didn't care.
Like you were saying,
Yeah.
your parents didn't listen to you. और मेरे भी ऐसा ही था. So now I think it's a new generation where parents do listen, have conversations, almost like friends and all of that. But if
Yeah.
you remember in this film, there's this grandfather who's talking about, who's looking at this kid running away, and then he's like, ये इसको कुछ तमीज नहीं है. हम लोग जब छोटे होते थे तो हम लोग
Yeah.
एक वीक में एक बार तो पढ़ती थी. So that my
Yeah.
parents like have this whole chabuk with them, and they keep hitting me just to give me some discipline, even if I am up, like I'm doing all good things.
Yeah.
So
The level of disrespect to children went from bad to worse as the person grew older, right? The mother was just ignoring the kid, but the granddad was demeaning the kid. The ja mere liye cigarette le gaya. And how can you? And here, we are led to believe how grandparents are the coolest, but here I think the granddad was worse than the mother in this film.
he was wondering maybe his son didn't hit his children. That's why he was disappointed, maybe.
Yeah, like you were saying in the start, even the classroom scene, it's almost like the camera was you. You're
Yes.
just sitting there.
You're just an
And
observer, right?
yeah, and you're just watching that scene happen without too many cuts and this conversation just happening offhand, and you're listening and you're just privy to this chat that is happening between two characters. It was lovely. There was another
Frames
thing
are
which
beautiful. I mean, even the
yeah,
how he's captured the whole neighborhood and the small village, the
yeah,
streets, what happens, the noises. I mean, वो
yeah,
हाँ, just
yeah,
वो दूसरे city में जब वो when he goes to Pochte, you don't see too many people, but
yeah,
you can hear what is happening in that town
yeah.
continuously, right? It's so beautifully done.
This film has the best chase sequence, according to
Ah,
me.
yes.
What about that? Like
A kid,
uh,
क्या बोलते हैं, chasing a donkey or a mule. But like
like
beautifully done ना. इधर हम लोग वो फिल्म धारावी के मोस्टली सीन्स होते हैं, वो Black Friday
yeah,
and
Black
you
Friday,
have this
exactly.
the Danny Boyle film,
Slumdog Millionaire.
Slumdog Millionaire. उसमें भी you get
Yeah,
these kids running across these small gully. वैसा ही है, but this is so amazing because you've never seen a chase like this.
yeah. It's got all the aspects of a chase sequence.
Right.
It's got the right kind of music. It's got one character chasing the other and trying to kind of come in contact with that with that second character. And there are moments, nail biting moments, where the character just misses the other character that he's chasing. It is amazing. And
And
then
if you
finally, kind
see,
of
he has just
yeah,
let the child run like crazy. I was like
yeah.
scared when he was actually running down the hill. मैं बोला एक अगर step ही हो गया
Yeah.
तो he'll tumble down the hill, man. He'll break his head.
Yeah, and I think it must be so normal for the village kids, right, to
Yeah.
run about.
Maybe he just took actors from the same place. Koker,
Yeah, could be,
Pochte. Yeah.
could be.
I mean, I saw the cast and वो दोनों जो friends है, वो both have the same surname. So maybe they are brothers in real life.
Right.
who is
So
trying
they
to
could be
find.
brothers, you're saying, because then, yeah, then even the whole friendship bit between them, establishing it in just one scene,
Hmm.
made. I mean, really, because it was just one scene of that kid falling down, him, the other kid, helping
Yes.
him clean
Wash.
his
Yes.
pants,
Fine.
and that's it. It was enough of a reason for us as the viewer to believe that he
Right.
would go across the village just to return his notebook.
I mean, there's something about these Iranian films, no? Ye Children of Heaven, Where is the
Yeah.
Ye Friend's Home? They get such amazing performances from kids, man. It's so
Hmm.
well done. I mean, this guy, this kid, Chota Ahmed, he is so good in this film. He's
Yeah.
he's you look at him and you are like, "Arey, bichare, isko someone hug him and help him out, yaar."
Yeah. Exactly.
No one is doing it. Bechara, he's trying so hard not to get his friend expelled, and it's like he's feeling guilty for getting that book after his friend has been warned by the teacher, and he
Yeah.
wants to give it back. So it is about friendship, loyalty, and all of that. So it's so well done.
Yeah.
इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं होता लेकिन विवेक आई माई बिगेस्ट ग्राउस विद हिंदी फिल्म्स मोस्टली इज दे डोंट हैव फिल्म्स विद चिल्ड्रन एज प्रोटैगनिस्ट्स
Hmm.
मतलब फिल्म बनते हैं बट दे आर मेजरली फॉर चिल्ड्रन अभी तुम बनाते हो अगर बच्चों के साथ भूतनाथ चिल्लर पार्टी टाइप का पिक्चर तो
Raju
यार
Chacha.
राजू चाचा में फिर भी आई मीन वो बच्चा है बट अजय देवगन इज द मेन गाय आई मीन यार वही होता है लाइक
Right.
इवन इफ यू हैव
Right.
चिल्ड्रन इट यू हैव अ बिग स्टार हु कैन होल्ड इट
Got
राइट
it. Yeah.
वैसा होता है
Correct.
अभी ओनली अ फ्यू फिल्म्स दैट आई कैन रिमेंबर वो है जैसे उड़ान में ही इज नॉट रियली अ किड बट
Hmm.
ही इज अ टीनेजर
Got
रॉकफोर्ड
it.
था राइट उसमें भी द थीम्स वर नॉट फॉर
Yeah.
चिल्ड्रन it's not actually
Yeah.
aimed at children. It is for the adults to watch.
Yeah.
Tare Zameen Par. I mean, if a kid watches it, he will be bored to death, man.
Yeah.
ये क्या
And
चल रहा है?
again, yeah, again, it had Amir Khan in it. You're right.
It had
So,
Amir Khan. So that's my biggest grouse with Hindi films. And maybe it's about the money. But क्या यार आजकल तो there are so many opportunities. They should start making. There are so many stories that you can tell with children as protagonists, right? अभी हम
yeah.
लोग का जैसे इसमें विशाल भारद्वाज did films for children like
Makdi. Yeah.
Makdi and Blue Umbrella. They were tales for children basically. He didn't make like a very mature film with children in it. It was basically a fantasy tale or a story which was adapted to Hindi, right? तो
Correct.
वैसा होता है तो यार ये बनने चाहिए यार कुछ तो बनाओ यार which is very interesting for children here and with children in it but for adults and not just the child portion of a hero
Right.
जो
Right.
स्टार्टिंग में होता है
It's like, yeah, it's like the only film that comes to my mind is Stanley Ka Dabba, if you remember, by
हाँ
Amol
तो
Gupte.
दिस गाय अमूल गुप्ते ने ये बनाया ना तारे जमीन पर ही स्टार्टेड ऑफ ही रोट
हाँ.
and then this one Stanley का डब्बा
Yeah, so that was one film that comes to my mind, which had no big star. It was the story of a kid and his life, and it was
right
like for any kind of audience. But
वो
yeah, we should definitely make more of
if I
such
make
films.
films ever Vivek I'll make films with children and as protagonists no one will pay money for it but at least these content sites will kind of buy it I'm hoping if I make a good one
Viru, just in your film, make the child heard and don't let parents and talk down to the kid, and don't make him lose his way. Let him find the friend's
हाँ
house,
नहीं
then
अभी
play
तो यार मैप्स है
Xbox.
ना बोला ना मैप्स वो मैप्स पे अपना लोकेशन
Yeah,
भेजेगा लाइव लोकेशन एंड दैट गाय विल रीच इजीली
let them chill. Let them chill.
it will be a mini film 15 minutes से भी कम
हाँ,
another thing that I was thinking of while we are at it हिंदी फिल्म में जब अडेप्ट करना होगा या हिंदी फिल्म बनाना होगा तो I was thinking if the same film was made by other directors okay
hmm, hmm, hmm,
लाइक हिंदी डायरेक्टर अगर कोई बनाता है तो आरजीवी अगर होता है ये फिल्म का तो स्टोरी
hmm,
कैसे अलग रहती दिस किड गोज देयर ही इज
hmm,
पीपिंग इनटू वेरियस हाउसेस टू सी क्या हो रहा है एंड ही पीप्स
hmm,
इनटू वन एंड वॉच एंड सीज एन एल्डर वुमन bathing. And then it becomes about infatuation. I forget.
and then and then in the end there is a title that says based on the true story of RGV.
और अगर मधुर भंडारकर होता तो वो वापस नहीं आता. He would have gone there, someone would have picked him up and put him on a signal in Tehran or some place.
और उस फिल्म का नाम भी होता लिटिल चिल्ड्रन.
करण जौहर होता तो और भी सही होता. The professor would be Amitabh Bachchan. The kids are basically, they grow up to be SRK and Hrithik Roshan or
Right.
Abhishek Bachchan. You can pick one. And the one जिसका book ले लिया is the unfortunate one. जो they don't like, उसका book ले लिया and then it's after 30 years. And जिसका book ले लिया वो शाहरुख खान है, बहुत बेचारा है. और जिसने book ले लिया वो अभिषेक बच्चन है probably. And they meet.
So they reunite basis the book.
हाँ, वो मतलब मिलते हैं. Maybe they are like behind the same girl or something like that. And then they realize अरे ये तो वो friend है. वो बुक
Nice.
पढ़ी रहेगी कहीं तो. या
आपके पास ऑलरेडी 3 स्क्रिप्ट है.
वो मनमोहन देसाई, एक्चुअली वो वाला मनमोहन देसाई टाइप बन गया. बिछड़ जाते हैं एंड दे मीट समवेयर इन अ कोर्ट केस प्रोबेबली. तू वही है जो बुक लेके गया था. हाँ, मैं वही हूँ. हैप्पी एंडिंग, एवरीवन इज हैप्पी. There's so many ways you can tell the same story.
Yeah.
Enjoyed the film. It made me think. Yeah, and it just gives you a sense of the life there. It's so like you were saying, na, you become a part of the story. You are the observer.
Yeah.
And वो end में भी कितना simply वो उसका good उसका देता है, उसके
Good
friend
job.
को कर देता है. Good
Yeah.
job लिखता है. You are left with a smile. कि yes,
Yeah. I think that moment when he bursts into the classroom is that moment where you feel like now they're going to reunite.
Right.
And because by then you know that he's done the homework for both of them.
Mhm.
And then when he comes and says that I did it for you as well, it just it was a very good moment.
It was. So, I mean, I would love to watch more Iranian films now, but
Yeah,
maybe we'll have to go
100%.
somewhere else first and then come back here.
Yes.
So that's about it, I think, Vivek. We've covered whatever we wanted to. I'm hoping everyone who is listening to this watches this film. यार. It's so good. And if you feel कि मैं इतना पुराना picture देख नहीं सकता, don't worry. When you start watching it, the time will fly.
And you'll just be like a fly on the wall, privy to the life of this little boy, and it'll be you'll come out of it thinking, wow, that was wonderful. I want to kind of know more about this director and the kind of films he makes. Definitely.
And I think we'll have to finish the trilogy then.
Yeah, I have to for
करना
sure.
पड़ेगा फिर.
For
हाँ.
sure.
तो maybe 2-3 हफ्ते के बाद फिर से एक, और फिर उसके बाद 2-3 हफ्ते के बाद फिर से. Maybe we'll
Yup.
do that.
Yep, we need to do an
Great.
Abbas special.
Yeah, that we could do that as well. That's about it for today, guys. Do leave your comments, share it, and like it as well.
Yep.
And do let us know if there are any other films that we should watch. All right. Goodbye.
Bye.